How to replace a Relax the Back Hale Premier ZG Recliner Backrest Actuator. You will need a wire cutter, Phillips head screwdriver, needle-nosed pliers, 5mm Allen wrench, and zip ties. Be sure to save all removed parts for reassembly. To get started, unplug the chair. Remove the head pillow. Unzip the back of the body pad, then slide the top of the body pad over the backrest frame to the front. Fold the body pad forward far enough to expose the entire chair seat. Detach the bottom of the rear fabric cover, then lift the cover to expose the two latches. Lift up on both latches, then fold the backrest forward onto the seat. Detach the hook and loop fasteners from the rear and both sides of the chair frame to free the lower fabric cover. Cut the two zip ties that secure the cables to the chair frame. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the screw and white cable guide that secure the cable bundle. Locate the cable that is labeled Backrest Actuator, then disconnect both connectors. Lift up on both backrest latches, then raise the backrest to the upright position. Open the seat zipper. Locate the two cables that feed through the hole in the bottom of the seat. Pull those two cables through the zip tie loop, then push them through to the underside of the chair. Raise the body pad into position against the backrest, then place the remote on the seat. Gently tip the chair onto its right-hand side. Using a 5mm Allen wrench, remove the lower bolt that secures the rear of the actuator. Using a 5mm Allen wrench, remove the upper bolt that secures the rear of the actuator. Using a needle-nosed pliers, remove the clip that secures the front of the actuator. Push the pin upward to remove it, then remove the actuator from the chair. Now, let's replace it. To install the new actuator, first align the front mounting points, then replace the pin from the top. Replace the clip to secure the pin. Feed the actuator cables through the hole in the seat. Replace the two bolts to secure the rear of the actuator. Return the chair to the upright position. Hang the remote on the remote hook, then fold the body pad forward to expose the seat. Feed the two backrest actuator cables through the zip tie loop and through to the rear of the chair. Close the seat zipper. Lift the rear fabric cover, lift both backrest latches, then fold the backrest forward onto the seat. Connect the two actuator connectors to the corresponding connectors from the chair, matching by color. Install the white cable guide onto the cable bundle, then replace the screw to secure it. Using a new zip tie, secure the backrest actuator cable to the other cables. Using a new zip tie, secure the cable bundle to the chair frame. Cut the excess zip ties. Wrap the rear fabric cover around the chair frame, then secure it using the hook and loop fasteners. Wrap the two side flaps around the bottom of the fabric cover, aligning the hook and loop fasteners, then press firmly to secure them. Lift up on the two backrest latches, lift the backrest to the upright position, then release the latches to secure the backrest. Pull the rear fabric cover downward, then secure it using the hook and loop fasteners. Lift the body pad, push it firmly toward the backrest, then lower it into position. Pull the top of the body pad over the backrest frame, then close the body pad zipper. Plug in the chair. Place the head pillow into position. Pull the flap through the retaining strap on the back of the chair until the pillow is at the desired height, and you're done.